Hey everybody, it's me, Kenyatta. So this might be a short video because I just wanted to record my first experience with getting a Brazilian wax and a V-steam. So I'm kind of nervous about that Brazilian wax because I heard that it hurts. So I'm gonna try to record myself in there, getting that done, my reaction and everything. And yeah, so I'm meeting one of my best friends up here. She's actually treating me. I'm so excited. Yeah, because my birthday is next week. So so she's treating me for my birthday. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go on in. Goodness, it's starting to warm up. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Ooh. Breathe again. Oh my God. Ooh. Why do we do this? Pulling. All right, I need you to breathe for me, okay? Take a deep breath. You're going good. Deep breath. There you go. Breathe. Breathe again.
Alright, you lift the legs all the way up. I can do the butt part.
Oh Lord,
Yep.
forgot about that.
You lift it all the way up.
Oh,
and
thank you.
spread.
Okay.
Now, 1 second.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my
There you
God.
go. One more time to clean up.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, just the last one.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just start cleaning you up.
Oh, that one bad. Okay, y'all, I'm done sweating. Yeah, I still had this mask on because I'm sweating. I don't want to show my face right now. It's so hot. Woo! But that Brazilian wax, Jesus Christ. I don't even have words. Oh my God. I feel better now though. Nice and smooth down there. But oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all seen the clip before this, so oh my God. She had me in such uncomfortable positions. Oh my God. But anyway, I will leave the shop information below. My friend found her on Instagram, so I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave her information. Her name is Maya at what is it now? Exotic, yeah, skin enhancement, exotic skin. So again, I'll leave her information below if you all are interested and stay in the Jonesboro, Morrow area, or if you just stay in Atlanta and want to come here. So all right guys, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.